So plot twist. I just stopped by my buddy Jesse's audio shop. It's where I got the audio for the Impala done at. And I was going by there actually because there's a new unit coming out pretty soon that I want to get installed in the toaster. It's going to be like a month at least, they said, till it comes in. But until then, I was just checking on that. But then he also told me about another muffler shop that they highly recommend. Called them up, and they said that we can drop the car off today. They'll get it done today, and they'll focus on making sure that the tips line up, and it's not a super complicated job, according to them, because, well, it's not a super complicated job. And so now I am taking the Smart back to the shop to get the Scat to go to that muffler shop. So here we go again. We're at another spot, West Coast Mufflers. And this guy said he's got room, he's got time today. Oh, nice. Look what he's got for his lineup. He's even got a 6.4. Got a Resto Mod Camaro. I don't know if you can see that. Pontiac. I'm gonna drop the car off. Hopefully we can get our mids deleted with the Dynomax bullets today. Always got to get a shot of it. Hello, hello.
Which one you dropping?
The Scat Pack Challenger.
Oh, okay.
All right, so drop the car off. They're gonna do the mufflers today. We're putting on the bullet, Dynomax bullets. Gonna see what the difference is. Obviously, at this point, you know why we did the cold start this morning. The last muffler shop guy. All right, I know this is me being OCD weird, but the last muffler shop guy touched the bumper. Can you see that? Can you see where he touched it? All right. That creates swirls and scratches. I know that's OCD nerd, but guess what? If you're on this channel, you're probably OCD about your car. So, hey, yeah. All right. See the 6.4 Impala? Come check it out. It's fucking clean as shit. What's up?
Tips.
Oh, not yet. Let's check out the tips. What do you think? They look perfect.
Oh, you put different tips?
No, the same tips.
I've never heard of a mid muffler before. I thought there was just one.
So, I didn't delete the mids. I replaced the mids with Dynomax bullets, which are racing mid mufflers. So a lot more airflow. Is this not clean or what? Look at those body lines. I mean, there's plenty of 6.4 Impalas in California, but look how clean it is. Clean body lines.
Got like a little stroke motor in it, I think.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Cool looking valve covers.
There, you gotta yell it out.
Cold start.
All right, no, here we go.
We got a cold start, people.
Back up. Oh, that sounds good. You hear the difference?
Yeah, it's more chucky.
Yeah. It's got girth. You know what else has girth, Edgar? You know what else has girth?
Your mom.
All right, so about to head back to the shop. Got the Dynomax bullets on. We're gonna hear how it sounds from the inside of the car. It sounds awesome from the outside of the car. I don't know what Edgar's doing. And yeah, I think it's gonna rain tonight, and I forgot my gimbal, so it's gonna be a little shaky cam. It's gonna be dark because it's nighttime, but let's see what it sounds like from the inside of the car. The first thing I noticed is, all right, so I am not in sport mode, and I'm just idling, and it already sounds better than sport mode. So that's the first thing I've noticed. I've only pulled out the parking lot. I'm gonna pull out to the main street here. Maybe give it a little gas. Oh yeah, this is not even in sport mode, and it sounds phenomenal. It's got just the right amount of girth to the sound. I'm gonna put it in sport mode now. Got a little drone in, I think that was 3 and 3rd, but overall, not a lot of drone. It's sitting in 5th now. I'm cruising, hardly any drone. I do hear some crackle, which is awesome. All right, getting on the highway. Let's see what it do. So it turns out today was a good day. We did get the mids deleted, got the Dynomax bullets on. It sounds awesome, even when it's not in sport mode. Doesn't have too much of a drone at all. Want to thank the guys on the Challenger Scat Pack Facebook club or group or whatever it is for recommending these. I was just going to delete the mids, but I'm glad I went with the Dynomax. Because it's too dark to say what's up to the camera, I'm just gonna say, until the next video, peace.